Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, incarnates on earth whenever evil goes unchecked to restore worldly order. Of his 10 primary incarnations, called the Dashavatar, the 5th is the Vaman avatar. Let's see why. In his 4th avatar, Lord Vishnu took the form of half man, half lion or Narsimha to protect his devotee Prahlad from the wrath of his father, the Asura king Hiranyakashyap. In the aftermath, Prahlad was crowned as king and he ruled with honesty and goodwill. It changed the ways of the Asuras, and over time the kingdom passed to his grandson Bali, who was also an ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu. King Bali conquered all the 3 worlds and brought peace and prosperity that earned him the name Mahabali. But he wanted to avenge the Asuras for the injustice done to them by the Devas, who did not share the amrit, the nectar of immortality, with them. So, on the advice of his guru Shukracharya, Mahabali performed a yagna that gave him powerful armors and weapons. Using them, he drove the Devas and their king Lord Indra into hiding. The Devas went to their mother Aditi for help. Seeing her miserable, her husband sage Kashyap advised her to pray to Lord Vishnu. Pleased with her sincerity and devotion, Lord Vishnu appeared and promised to help free the Devas, and was thus born to Aditi as Vaman, a gentle-looking Brahmin, small in stature. At the same time, Mahabali was performing his 100th Ashwameda Yagna, after which he would rightfully become the king of the Devas. During the Yagna, he gave his subjects anything they asked for: cows, land, gold, jewels. His last guest was Vaman. Guru Shukracharya warned Mahabali that Vaman might be an impostor, but the king did not want to break his promise. Vaman asked for the land that he would cover with his 3 strides. Surprised at this simple ask, Mahabali immediately granted his wish and was about to pour holy water to complete the ritual. Guru Shukracharya, to stop him, turned into a beetle and blocked the hole of the pot. Vaman poked the hole with a grass stem, leaving Shukracharya one-eyed for the rest of his life. To claim his gift, Vaman lifted his leg and transformed into Lord Vishnu's giant form of Trivikram, god of 3 strides, covering all of heaven on his first step and earth in the second. He then looked down upon Mahabali and asked where he should place his 3rd stride. King Mahabali understood that this is no ordinary Brahmin but Lord Vishnu himself. He bowed with humility and asked Vaman to place the last step on his head. With that, Vaman pushed Mahabali back into the Paatal Lok, along with all the Asuras. Thus Lord Vishnu had taken his 5th incarnation, the Vaman avatar, to restore worldly order by returning heaven to the Devas, sending the Asuras back to Paatal Lok, and still protecting his devotee Mahabali, who continued to rule the Asuras as a just and noble king.